Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and this month we're teaching you how to say if you're free later. Do you have some time? 你等一下有空吗？
等一下有闲吗？
等一下有闲吗？等一下 that means do you have some time later? Okay, 有闲吗 free. Okay, 有闲吗？好，这个有的时候真的是很忙啦。那你就可能会听到一个答案说没有。more. That means no, I don't have time. Okay, 那或许我就会一直约啦，对不对？
死缠烂打。
对，就说那如果等一下没空，那明天有空吗？好，对不对？那明天怎么说？
天公日。
天公日 ，OK. If you don't have free time now, how about tomorrow? 然后或许又是 more， 那怎么办？我就要再问喽。后天有空吗？对，所以后天怎么说呢？
后日。
后日 ，OK. That means day after tomorrow.
那海陆腔呢？明天我们也可以说天公日，但是我们一般都会说稍走。
稍走
就是明天。
Oh, okay.This not only is a different dialect, but a different way of saying tomorrow. 稍走。
稍走。
Okay.
那后天后日。
后日。Okay, again, that's a different way of saying day after tomorrow. Interesting. So if I keep on asking Alice, 我一直问你明天有空吗？后天有空啊？我觉得到最后你一定会说
什么事？
嘿呀，什么代志啦？一直烦我是怎么样，对不对？
对。
Okay, so how do you say that? Finally, her response is going to be, "What's up? What do you want?" 什么事？
马给事情
啊，马给事情。Okay, that means what do you want? 你到底有什么事情呢？那或许啦，因为你真的是在忙啦，你可能会说周末才有空，有什么事吗？ Her answer is going to be, well, you know what? I'm not free until this weekend. So what do you want? Right?
拜六张有闲。
拜六张有闲。
有马给事情黑么？
有马给事情黑么？ OK, 就是到底有什么事情啊 ？OK, 再讲一次。
拜六张有闲，有马给事情黑么？
Now let's all review these phrases here, okay? The first one is 没有。
么。
And then maybe you want to say, how about tomorrow? 明天。
天公日。
天公日。And then maybe day after tomorrow. 后天。
后日。
后日。And then finally, what's up? 什么事？
马给事情。
马给事情。And it's all about asking if you're free a little bit later. 等一下有空闲吗？
等一下有闲吗？
等一下有闲吗？ There you go. Another edition of Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
什么大家？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.